Welcome back. So, today we are solving a classical interview problem which named as next permutation. It is often asked in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and more. Okay. So, let's break down it step by step. So, what the problem is? Okay, we are given an array. We are given an array of integers named as array representing a permutation of numbers representing a permutation of numbers. Implemented the next permutation that rearrange the number into a lexicographical next greater permutation. If no such permutation exists, rearrange the number into the lowest number. Okay. So what the question statement says, like we need to rearrange into the next lexicographical greater permutation. Okay, means like see, let's see an example and then only we can understand. Here example says 241750. Okay, so the next permutation will be 245017. Okay, why? uh, well, if you list all permutation in sorted array, then it comes 241750. How you know? 241750. Okay. So it says like you have to do the next permutation. Okay. Which is just greater than, not that much, just greater than the previous one. Okay. So here what we can do is if we do 5 here, okay. If we do 5 here, which is more greater than, okay, which is like if we put something else, we have to find out the smallest but greater than the this number, greater than this but the smallest one. So we put here 0. Okay, so apart from this, how we can do this? What's this? We have to see in logical part how we can do this. So what's the question says? We have a number 241750. We have a combination. Okay, we have a permutation of number. We have to find the next permutation which is just greater than this. So we what we have found it 245 we put here, one we 0 we put here, 1 and 7. We have just arranged this number. Okay, and find the next permutation. Okay, how we can do this? Here, like there is thought process behind it. We have to find the first decreasing element from the right. Okay, we have to start and loop from here. Okay, so we have to find first decreasing element like 0. 5 is greater than 0, 7 is greater than 0, but 1 is not greater than 0, man. So 1 should be removed from here. This is what we have to find. Okay. From this specific point, the next permutation can be made bigger. If you don't find it, like it's all in increasing order only. Okay. That means the array is in descending order. Just reverse the whole array and you'll find the answer. This is what we can do. Okay. From the end of the array, find the smallest number that is greater than array. Okay. Okay. So this is what I've said is you have to find greatest number than this one, which is non increasing or decreasing, we can say. From there, after this 750 is here, you have to find the greater than 1, but in which order? From right to left only. So we are gonna find that this we're gonna fix in a specific element like array of temp we're gonna fix which is greater than temp. Okay, so 0 is greater than temp. No, 5 is greater than temp. Yes, 5 is greater than temp. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna switch or sorry swap 5 and 1. So what the array look likes now, array look likes 2 4. Here we can say 2 4 5. Okay, 2 4 5 7. 7 will be there, 1 will be there, and 0 will be there. 710. After this, from here we have done. Then what we have here 7. 1 and 0. We have to reverse this. We have to just reverse this. Once we reverse this, it look like 0, 1 will be there because 5 is swapped by 1. 1 will be there and 7 will be there. Then our output came 245017. Let's see in the code part what we have done is this swap and reverse logic. We know what is this. So let's go to the coding part. Like, this is basic, this is basic. Let's go to this part. So what I have done is I have take in an variable I have created where I assign is array dot length minus 2, means this specific index I have assigned with. Okay, second last index I have assigned with, and I gonna check like n should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and array of n means this element 5, like in that case, in this case 5, it should be greater than the index which is after that, like array of n plus 1. N is this and n plus 1 is 0. So it this index or the next index should be greater than this index. Okay, in that case, if it's true, then we gonna decrement or decrease the n by 1. Okay, so in that case it's true, then n will be decrement. N is there only, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is 4 in that case. Now n is 3. Okay, and we're gonna again check n is greater than equal to 0. Yeah, n is greater than 0, like n is 3 for now. Array of n we have 5, which is greater than array of n plus 1. Array of n plus 1 means array of 4, which is 7. Okay, sorry, 5 and 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So yes, it's true. Then again n is decremented by 1. Okay, it is done. Then we're gonna again check n, like n is 2 for now, and it store the value of 1. So like n is greater than equal to 0. Yes, it's greater than. And array of n is 1 for now. It's greater than equal to array of n plus 1, which is 7. No, it's false. It's false. Okay, then we came came outside the while loop, and we gonna check if n greater than equal to 0. Yes, n is 2 for now. N is 2 for now. Then we gonna create a variable j which store the length of which store last index, which is 0. Oh, what? Sorry, 0, which stores 0. Okay, which stores 0. And now we are gonna check that array of j, which is this greater than, sorry, is this less than, wait, what? Array of less than, okay, sorry, it is less than array of n or not. Okay, it is less than array of n, then it should be decrement by 1. Array of j for now is last element, which is 1, and array of n is 1. So first first condition is true. Okay, because 0 is greater than, less than, sorry, 0 is less than 1. So j will be decrement by 1. So j will be 5 for now. Okay, and again we gonna check the condition. Array of j is 5, is less than or equals to array of n, which is 1. No, it's false. It's greater than, 5 is greater than 1. Then what we are gonna do is we gonna swap array. We pass array n and j to swap function. Where is our swap function? Here is our swap function. So this array will be passed there. And what will you pass there? I and j in context of n and j. Okay, what is n? N is 1 and j is 5. Okay, so 5 and 1 will be swapped. 5 and 1 will be swapped. So 5 and 1 will be swapped in that case. So array look like 2, 4, 5, 7, 1 and 0. After this, we're gonna reverse array of n plus 1. What is n for now? N is here, which is 5 for now. After swapping 5, so n plus 1 means from 7 to the last index. This part we have to reverse. We call the reverse function here. We call the reverse function, pass this value. Okay, and reverse it. So the answer will be 245017. Okay, this is what we have done. Okay, so and that's it, I guess. Okay, so if you have found the next permutation in big O of n and big O of one space, if you found this is useful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's problem I should cover next. And if you find anything like that's I should work on, because I'm new to it, I'm trying to do, I'm a student as well. If I'm like I know something I want to share with you, that's why I started this. So if you found anything, you can comment it, you can point it out. I will genuinely try to improve those things, and let's grow together. And again, please like, subscribe, and let's see what we can do. And I don't have any subscriber yet, but yes, any of you can please subscribe, like, and show some support, man. Thank you so much if you watch video till end. Lots of love.